Park is a historic and iconic urban park located in Middlesbrough, a town in the northeast of England. The park, established in the late 19th century, has long been a focal point of community engagement, recreation, and relaxation. Albert Park was officially opened on August 11, 1868, by Prince Arthur, Duke of Connaught and Strathorn, in honor of his father, Prince Albert. It was designed by William Barat, a prominent landscape architect of the time, who envisioned the park as a green oasis within the rapidly industrializing town of Middlesbrough. The park's creation was influenced by the Victorian era's emphasis on public spaces and leisure. Albert Park in Middlesbrough stands as a testament to the enduring value of public spaces and green havens within urban landscapes. Its rich history, well-maintained landscapes, and various amenities make it a cherished space for both locals and visitors. Its Victorian-era charm, diverse attractions, and role in fostering community engagement make it an essential part of Middlesbrough's cultural and recreational fabric. As a space that bridges the gap between history and modernity, Albert Park continues to draw visitors of all ages and backgrounds, offering a timeless retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.